Iran has allegedly carried out its first operational test of the Russian-built S-400 Triumf air defense system, according to reports from the Iranian outlet biran.info dated July 26, 2025. The trial reportedly took place near Isfahan, roughly 440 kilometers south of Tehran, highlighting a potential leap in Iran's ability to counter aerial threats as tensions continue to rise in the region. The S-400, a flagship long-range missile defense system produced by Russia's Almaz-Antey, is designed to track and destroy enemy aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and certain ballistic targets. It is capable of striking at distances up to 400 kilometers and altitudes of 30 kilometers, making it one of the most advanced defensive networks available for export globally. Witnesses in Isfahan described weeks of heightened radar activity and frequent movement of missile launch vehicles before the reported test. The deployed battery is believed to have included the 91N6E Big Bird surveillance radar, 92N6E Gravestone fire control radar, a central command post, and several 5P-85TE-2 launchers loaded with 48N6E3, and potentially 40N6, interceptor missiles. While Iranian military officials have not issued a statement or shared visual confirmation, multiple regional analysts suggest this marks the first real operational deployment of the system on Iranian soil. Speculation about Iran acquiring the S-400 has circulated since mid-2024. At that time, several defense publications reported that a Russian Il-76 cargo plane delivered key components to Tehran, allegedly part of a deal to strengthen Iran's protection of sensitive military and nuclear facilities. Publicly, commanders of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps maintained that indigenous systems like the Bavar 373 and Khordad 15 were sufficient. However, the recent alleged test points to a quiet but significant expansion of Iran's defensive arsenal. The growing military partnership between Moscow and Tehran has accelerated since 2022, with Russia providing advanced defense platforms and Iran supplying drones and munitions that have been deployed in Ukraine. Frequent joint drills and classified technical exchanges have further cemented this cooperation. The reported S-400 activation in Iran fits this pattern of deepening strategic ties, potentially altering the balance of power in the Middle East. If confirmed, Iran's operational use of the S-400 would make it one of the few nations outside Russia to field this cutting-edge missile shield. Its introduction would complicate the planning of any potential air operations by regional adversaries such as Israel or Gulf Arab states, forcing a reassessment of existing strike capabilities. The choice of Isfahan as the test location suggests that Tehran's primary focus is securing high-value military and nuclear assets against possible long-range air attacks.